Investors should keep an eye out for these three meme stocks. Three meme stocks that every investor should continue monitoring. Imperial Petroleum cannot sustain its high premium despite OPEC Plus extending oil production cuts into second quarter as the demand is not strong enough. Novavax, another one-trick vaccine pony, is flailing amid a lost market. Microcloud Hologram is suspiciously reverse stock splitting and siphoning AI hype. Let's dive in. The short list, here are the three meme stock battlegrounds to keep on your radar. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Big GameStop and AMC Entertainment may have lost investor focus, but these meme stocks keep interests high. Of the many indicators aiding to time the market, short interest remains the most popular. Shorting stocks, especially meme stocks, means that traders expect profits from borrowing, selling, and repurchasing them later at a discount. The percentage of float shorted gives traders a clue as to how many shares are in that transitory stage before repurchasing when they have to cover their bets. If high enough, above 20%, it points to market sentiment that these shares will decline in value for various reasons. This can present a buy on the weakness opportunity for companies with strong fundamentals or implementing stop-loss orders to cut losses. Here are three meme stocks that presently have high float shorted percentages. Number 1. Imperial Petroleum Incorporated. Imperial Petroleum, a Greek-based oil tanker company, finds itself at the crossroads of global oil supply dynamics, deeply influenced by geopolitics. Specializing in the transport of petrochemical products, the company has increased its shipping capacity by 150% since second quarter 2021, positioning itself as a significant player in the industry. Modern civilization runs on petroleum, which renders it liquid gold. On Sunday, Saudi Arabia, Russia, and other OPEC Plus nations extended crude oil supply cuts into second quarter. Over the last 12 months, the price of Brent crude has remained relatively flat at 1.3% at $83.11 per barrel. When the OPEC Plus decided in November, the market feared rising oil prices that would heighten inflation. As this failed to materialize, investors took this as a sign that some oil companies were overvalued, given their reliance on oil profits. The Greek company has been the target of such speculation, with Imperial Petroleum shares having gone up 85% in the last 3 months. Compared to much larger international seaways, this represents over 5x outperformance. As a small oil tanker company offering volatile penny stocks, Imperial Petroleum took advantage and diluted the stock on multiple occasions during the period to reinvest and expand. This brought its net asset value per share to $1.86 at a 35% premium to net asset value. It is now a matter of time when Imperial Petroleum meme stock corrects further downward, after falling 10% over the last month, bringing it in line with its competitors. Number 2. Novavax. Novavax, a key player in the pharmaceutical industry, has encountered significant challenges following the initial surge in demand for COVID-19 vaccines. This applies more so to novel vaccines for respiratory infections. In February, the CDC reported only 10.8% of people are interested in updated COVID-19 boosters. As a part of the Operation Warp Speed, Novavax completely deflated, much like Pfizer and BioNTech Southeast. From the ballooned height of $290 per share in February 2021, Novavax stock is now in the penny range of $5.39. In the latest fourth quarter 2023 earnings delivered on February 28th, Novavax reported a $178 million net loss. Excluding the small bump of $58 million in second quarter, this represents a sixth consecutive quarterly loss. Lacking a wide range of generic drugs for recurrent revenue streams, this trend is likely to continue. From the full year 2023 revenue of $984 million, Novavax lowered its full year 2024 revenue forecast to $700–800 million range. Highly volatile over the last month, Novavax meme stock gained a 30% boost, but the long-term trajectory points downward. Whether expectations are overturned depends on government contracts, which caused the Novavax to rise in the first place. Number 3. Microcloud Hologram Incorporated. Microcloud Hologram is up 152% year-to-date, shaming even NVIDIA. The company's purported application of holographic technology, ranging from LiDAR sensor chip design to intelligent 3D vision solutions across industries, has driven this speculation. Chinese microcloud onboarded the AI train in February by announcing HDH-GPT, Holo Digital Human GPT technology. The holographic model could be used to talk to users as they prompt AI with continuous dialogue, thus effectively recreating the scenes from Blade Runner 2049. However, the meme stock has yet to generate profits, having reported a $20,323 net loss for the period ending December 2022. On February 2nd, MicroCloud filed a reverse stock split, which reduced the number of MicroCloud hologram outstanding shares to 50 million shares of a nominal or par value of 0.001 cents each. This action made it regain the NASDAQ listing requirement last week, following the NASDAQ notice in November for failing to maintain the minimum $1 per share price for 31 consecutive business days. Lacking financial reports and profit-generating products, MicroCloud meme stock is purely driven by speculation. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.